Yo, check the mic, 1, 2. History's in the booth. From Ingolstadt's halls, dropping ancient truth. Krempe's on the stage preaching hard science law, but Victor's in the back seeing something more. 3 names he whispers, legends of the past. Let's break them down, knowledge flowing fast. Yo, first up, Paracelsus, the Swiss rebel flow. Philippus Aureotos, Theophrastus, yo. Dr. Alchemist, a renaissance man. Challenged Galen, flipped the whole damn plan. Said disease ain't humors, but a seed outside. Treated with chemicals, with nothing to hide. Dose is solar fast, envenom, that's the key. The dose makes the poison for all to see. Laudanum, Mercury, he wasn't afraid to try. But some called him madman, staring at the sky. Astrology, magic, mixed in his brew. A holistic vision, radical and new. A pioneer, a rebel, breaking every rule. Paracelsus, dropping knowledge, keeping it cool. From alchemy's fire to science's light, these thinkers blaze trails, day and night. Controversial figures, misunderstood, pushing boundaries, for bad or for good. Next, Albertus Magnus, the Doctor Universalis, Dominican friar, knowledge he never missed. Philosopher, theologian, a scholar so deep, brought Aristotle back from centuries of sleep. Reconciled reason with faith's sacred call, showed science and God, they didn't have to brawl. Botany, zoology, minerals he'd explore, observed the natural world and so much more. Some whispered of magic, of secrets he possessed, a golem he built, putting skills to the test. Whether legend or truth, the mystery remains. He bridged ancient wisdom with scholarly gains. A teacher of Aquinas, a mind so bright. Albertus Magnus, shining wisdom's light. From alchemy's fire to science's light, these thinkers blaze trails, day and night. Controversial figures, misunderstood, pushing boundaries, for bad or for good. Last but not least, Agrippa takes the stage, occult philosopher turning a new page. The occult of Philosophia, his magnum opus bold. Magic, astrology, secrets to unfold. 3 worlds he described, connected as one. Elenil, celestial, intellectual, son. Natural magic, the power of the stars, influencing our lives behind celestial bars. Kabbalah, numerology, a system so grand, but the church wasn't happy, they couldn't understand. Labeled a heretic, a sorcerer, a dread. His words were forbidden, his books often unread. Yet he saw connection, a universal key. Agrippa's legacy for those who dare to see. From alchemy's fire to science's light, these thinkers blaze trails, day and night. Controversial figures, misunderstood, pushing boundaries, for bad or for good. So the next time you hear science calling all the shots, remember these rebels connecting all the dots. Remember these rebels connecting all the dots.